and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be demonstrating the vertical hemming stitch. It's one of my favorite hand sewing hem stitches. So if you want to practice this stitch before you put it in your project, then you'll want to put together a sewing sample like I have right here. Turn up a little hem and then you're ready to get started. Be sure to press your sample. It makes it easier, and I'm using a long needle so that you can see my stitches, and I'm using red thread. And be sure to wax that thread. It makes it easier to handle. I'll be speeding this up in a moment, but these first few stitches are important to watch at a regular speed. The vertical hemming stitch is a durable and stable method that's best suited for hems whose edges are finished with woven or stretch lace seam binding. I can do this one really quick, and that's why it's usually my go-to. And I finish a lot of my my hems with stretch lace hem tape, and I'll show you that here in a moment. And because very little thread is exposed, it reduces the risk of it fraying or breaking. And yes, I am reading this from a script mainly because you try doing this with most of your left frontal lobe of your brain missing. Yeah, that about covers it. And be sure to press your seam once you are done with it. And when this is done with matching thread, you don't even see it on the outside. It's invisible. And it makes a pretty good durable hem right there that stays in really good. When a hem comes out of ready to wear, this is usually the one I use to repair it, and my hems usually last longer than the piece of clothing itself. I use seam binding. This is a good hem for seam binding, or bias tape as it's also called. Especially when I'm wanting to lengthen a skirt, like a ready-to-wear skirt. I just lower the hem as much as I can that it allows for, and then I just slap some of this on, and it works out really well. But you can finish a hem with this just by machine stitching in the ditch there, and then using that stitch right there at the edge of the seam binding, upper edge. But usually I don't use the bias tape. I use this flexi lace hem tape, and I do a zigzag stitch to connect it to the fabric, and then I use the vertical hemming stitch at the bottom of it. And it's really easy to do this very quickly once you get used to this stitch. I had an opportunity during the faux spring that we get in Northern California to wear this dress, so that's what I did. I was kind of disappointed because there was so much traffic at the park that day. Lots of cars. I couldn't get any good audio, but I still got some decent footage. Yeah, I neglected to look at a calendar. It was actually a holiday that Monday, so whenever it's a holiday, everybody comes up on the mountain when it's nice weather. I'm blowing away. It's blowing away here. As always, thanks for watching till the end, and if you found this video instructive, please give it a like. That's all I have for you today. Have a great day or night wherever you are. Bye now.